Meet our team.
Seen this road 1,000 times. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I got no roots. I've got no roots. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the.
Halo guys, do you know what is MSMS? MSMS stands for Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprise. The definition varies between countries but generally refers to business that are small or medium in terms of revenue, asset, or number of employees. MSMS tax refers to the tax obligation imposed on micro, small, and medium enterprise. Many countries provide special tax treatments for MSMEs to encourage their growth and development. Some common tax incentives provided to MSMEs include lower tax rates, exemption from certain tax, or simplify tax administration facilities.
Micro, small, and medium enterprise MSMEs based on government regulation PP 55/22 and Law 7/2001. Rates MSMEs with a gross turnover of under IDR 4.8 billion per year can use the MSME final income tax rate of 0.5% of gross income. The tax base used to calculate final income for MSME taxpayer in PP 55/2002 is the gross turnover of income from business each month.
If payment or deposit of tax is made after the due date, the taxpayer will be subject to administrative sanction in the form of interest. This interest rate follows the monthly interest rate set by the Minister of Finance. For MSME business actors who deliberately don't submit ANL annual notification letter or deliberately report ANL but incorrectly, MSME business actors can be subject to criminal sanction. Examples of criminal sanction that can be imposed are in the form of fines and imprisonment.
From the result of the interviews that we did with tax consultant, we get some problems that MSMEs has in paying its taxes. First, the lack of understanding in the procedure of payment of taxes. Most of the taxpayers of MSMEs are not unwilling to pay the tax, but they still lack understanding about the procedure in its payment due to the minimum literacy and lack of education. Second, the taxpayers' awareness is still low for paying taxes. Taxpayer awareness is still relatively low if tax officer don't ask them first to pay taxes. The level of the tax awareness itself depends proactively on the tax officer. Third, the economic crisis or uncertain economic situation. The situation results in decrease in people's purchasing power. As a result, MSME's income has also decreased, which has influenced the decrease in MSME's tax payment.
Here's a strategy to minimize MSME tax. First, tax planning. Tax planning is a way of efficient tax burden by choosing other tax alternative with the lowest rate. For example, the taxpayer can choose payment with the option of the regulation of the applicable laws, including Government Regulation Number 55 of 2020 and 2 at the rate of 0.5%. In addition, it is also exempt for the taxable person to use the same of Tax Income Article 31 E paragraph 1 if the income of a corporate taxable with a maximum gross turnover of 50 million. Second, tax avoidance. Tax avoidance is a strategy taxpayer by exploiting the gaps that exist in the taxation. For example, take the transfer pricing schemes. Transfer pricing itself is regulation in Article 18 of the Act Number 36 of 2008. With the implementation of the new regulation, the tax burden borne by MSME players becomes smaller, so that MSME players have greater economic capacity to develop their business and make investment.
The suggestion and the impact. First, tax officer should go directly to MSMEs to find out whether the reduction in applicable tax rate is effective or not. The impact encourage the MSMEs to paying and reporting their tax payable and find information related to more precise policy adjustment. Second, the government should provide the facilities to MSMEs in paying and reporting their tax payable, such as the BDS or Business Development Service Program. The impact, the MSMEs can have easier time to report and paying their tax payable. And the last is give us information about reporting and paying of MSMEs tax through social media such as WhatsApp Blast program. The impact, the MSMEs can have information where they can have to pay and reporting their tax payable.